Here we go with part 3 of weathering the cardboard tube. I added another wash of thin black paint around the rivets with streaking. Next I'll use terracotta and burnt umber brown paint to simulate the rust.
Okay, so I've added another layer of the black wash around the rivets and into the dent on the tube here. It's looking really good. So now I'm going to add some terracotta and brown paint to simulate the rust. We'll get started on that. So I'm just going to dab this on here and going to smear it with my fingers a little bit. That looks pretty good there. I'll do this mostly around the top. Get kind of a streaking effect. Put a little bit down here. Just kind of dab some rust up on the top and put a little brown paint in there too and mix it. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Throw some more down here. Just kind of smear that in with my finger painting. All right, yeah, that was good. We'll let that dry out. And I'll just repeat these steps that I've been showing you. And now I'll show it to you when I'm finished with it here in probably about an hour or so. And yeah, it should look really good. Whoop. All right, here's a close-up of the rusty tube after weathering. Have a great day, and thanks for watching as always. Pumpkin, can you say thanks for watching? Yeah, not really.